It seems like every time I go to Dollar Tree, I can always find something new. With every change of the season, Dollar Tree is bringing in new products, and I for one am so excited about what they have in store right now.
It all just goes away. The things I plan to say, oh baby.
I love shopping at the Dollar Tree. I can always find some really great things. And on my last trip, they had all kinds of fresh stock for me to peruse. So I thought I would take you along with me and you could shop with me at my local Dollar Tree. Now, I love all of the different plastic pieces that they have right now. They have them all color coordinated, and I love this turquoise. This is so pretty, and it would be beautiful on an outdoor table. They have all kinds of styles of glasses. They have bowls, serving dishes, serving platters, larger containers, and even ice cube trays. And this sage green color, this is just so beautiful. I love everything in this collection. And these ice trays were adorable. They also had out all of their summer theme. This is almost like a Hawaiian theme. They have these really cute glasses. I could see putting some really fun desserts in there. Or these ice cream bowls. These are so cute. And I'm trying to think, what could I repurpose these for? And they also had these serving trays that look like fruit. And believe it or not, in their gardening section, Dollar Tree has some really great tools for using in your garden this summer. And their products are really durable and they last a long time. And if you want to enjoy the outside, how about some citronella incense sticks? They also have hummingbird feeders. And this was really nice. This thermometer, that would be so pretty hanging on a back patio. They also had a lot of different styles of solar stakes this year. And I love the butterfly inside. They have lots of different colors too. And they have the traditional solar lights as well in multiple colors. They also have out all of their Hawaiian items, lots of different leis and even hula skirts. And they have out all of their pots. So if you're getting ready to plant for spring, now is the time to get to Dollar Tree and get your summer pots. And they had a lot of new flowers that I've never seen before, and these were really nice bundles of flowers. Even this potted flower was so pretty. I really like these flowers. They are so pretty. And like I said, I've never seen these at Dollar Tree before. They also had out all of their 4th of July decorations. There are so many gnomes. Oh my goodness, they are so cute. And a lot of the 4th of July decorations are really nice. These gnomes though, how adorable are these? They even had these adorable little patriotic gnomes, as well as some Americana or patriotic decor. And if you're looking to decorate your home, Dollar Tree has you covered for patriotic supplies. All of these different bows and ribbons are just amazing. And of course, it's almost graduation time. Congratulations, graduates! But Dollar Tree has you covered with all kinds of different decorations for a wonderful graduation party. Look at these adorable little rubber ducks, 2024 on the cap, and it says you did it on the front. You can even get a yard sign to let everybody know you have a graduate. Or they have these adorable little unicorns or puppy dogs that say grad. They also have a really nice frame with tassel included. And of course, they've got everything that you're going to need for a fabulous graduation party. And these necklaces were so cute. class of 2024. They also had some really nice mugs, so you wouldn't have to break out your Cricut. It's already been done for you. Everything that you need for a graduation party, you can find at the Dollar Tree, and they had some really nice things. So don't go to the other expensive places. Check out Dollar Tree for everything you need for your graduation party this year. And of course, they have lovely cards, little card packs. You can get 8 cards in a pack for $1.25. Then I headed over to the Glassware, and they do have a lot of glassware, and these are my favorite right now. I have a project in mind for these margarita glasses. These are so much fun. And they had a full stock of all of their plates, bowls, cups, and mugs. I was really impressed. They also had a large selection of charger plates. These are great for crafting. Now, a couple of the aisles weren't quite as stocked, so this is where the picture frames usually are, and I don't think they've quite gotten to stock this area yet, but that's okay. I'll come back next week. They did have these adorable photo albums. Now, the Crafter Square section was looking a little sparse as well. So you do have to check frequently to see when they get their new stock in. Now some of these pieces are new, like these fish. These were pretty cute and would make a fun craft. And these wood picks are really nice too. They did have some more flowers over in the craft section, and they even had greenery stems, which was really nice. They did have a good selection of wreath frames. And their stickers, oh my goodness, I think they have pretty much every sticker I've ever seen at the Dollar Tree. They also had a good selection of vinyl. And randomly, I found these beads. These are really pretty. They also had all of these stencils. These are really nice, and I have used them in the past, and they do work fairly well. They also had a great selection of different candies. So all of these small bags of candy, along with the containers to put them into. Lots of different Hershey Kisses, Laffy Taffy, Reese's, lots of ring pops, and they had more on the bottom shelf as well. Even in the toy section, they have a lot of things for the young crafters. And then lots of these different board games, but I really like the crafty things. So this cute little My Little Pony paint by numbers. They had a Minnie Mouse shrink and wear jewelry, as well as a Wish shrink and wear jewelry. Now, I really like the office supplies that they have at Dollar Tree. The scissors actually work really well. They also had these nice poster boards, and they really do have a large selection of items for your office or your craft room. Next, in the home improvement section, they have so many things that you can use for crafting, including caulking, different pillowcases, hand towels, rugs, and of course the peel and stick removable wallpaper, as well as these rags. These are my favorite rags to buy. Now this is something new that I found, this space tape. This is awesome. They sell this online for like $9 a roll. I was really impressed with the large selection of hair accessories that the Dollar Tree has. From tiebacks to little clips to headbands. They had so many different pieces. It was a little overwhelming, but they have some really nice items just in time for summer. And of course, they have their old staple standbys, all of the different plastic storage containers. I really like these. These are a good buy. And look at this popcorn and this Coca-Cola bucket. So nice for a summer gathering, as well as these larger bins. Well, that was my quick little Dollar Tree tour. I had so much fun shopping. I can't believe all of the new products that they have, things that I've never seen at Dollar Tree before. I know they don't have a lot of the shore living stuff yet, but that'll come. And if you're curious about what I decided to buy and bring home, let me show you. I found these bandanas. It's a 2-pack. These are going to be a very fun craft. Along with an infinity scarf. I really like that material. And a regular scarf. I got this for the same reason. I love that material. I did buy one of those ice cube trays. This is going to be fun. And I love finding mason jars at the Dollar Tree for craft projects. And these solar hook lanterns, oh my gosh, I have such a great idea for a project using these pieces, which I will be sharing with you in an upcoming video. So go ahead right now, hit that subscribe button and click the bell notification. That way you'll be alerted when I have new videos coming out. I also found this sign. This was so pretty and I have something very special in mind for it. And they did have the adorable pink flamingos. I am so excited to share with you what I'm going to be doing. I also picked up one of these flowers and garden metal tins. And these house-shaped whiteboards. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to show you what I'm going to make with these. And right now is a great time to start with your Patriotic Decor crafting. That's what I'm going to do with these, as well as these. Look at these. These are so cool. These are window clings. I've never seen them for the 4th of July. And an adorable little pair of flip-flops. And these signs are so nice. The glitter, well, not so much. And the truck is kind of cool too. I have some great plans for these signs and I cannot wait to share them with you. Don't forget to hit that like button and of course, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss anything. And come back later this week for a brand new crafting video.